Sorry, I don't know how good the volume's going to be, but fuck it, I'll talk anyway. This is my supra. You can hear my MG rattling away there. The guy over there welding, the boys can look at that. Yeah. But yeah, 84, heap of shit. Tyres are all flat. Well, nice tyres, but they're flat, nice wheels. Windows are open, car covers inside, I'll shoot that back on. Broken arch. That tyre holds there amazingly. A nice tyre that is. Wheel, whatever you want to call it. Rust. Rust, rust, rust. 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 And a wee bit there, just a wee touch, it's not bad there, I could probably get away with that. Tailgate's rusty, needs replaced, you can see it, where is it? Down this side. You can sort of see daylight through there, that's needing replaced. Let's see if I can save the glass is an alright nick. Focus. Still says Supra in the back, so just so you know. Have those tail lights that are inside, you can sort of see the number plate in there as well. Got a paper cross exhaust on it, nice bit of kit. Some of the electrics work, some don't. Rust there, that's probably the worst spot in the car. Side is not as bad. Don't know if you can see it through the camera, probably not, but you can see daylight through the boot floor as well. That's flat tyre number 3, number 4. I have this door. A lot of folk have said that. Where's the door? I have the door, it's in that workshop there. Sunroof panel, getting that. Guy I bought it off of has it. Spare wheel holds there. Car cover. Digi-dash pop. I'll show you the engine bay, but I'm one-handed sort of. All the trim's in the back there. All of it. Surprisingly solid in the floors. Like, generally, doesn't go straight through amazingly. You know, I expected it to go straight through when I tried it, but you know. Details. That cord was holding this door on, it was unbolted because these hinges were fucked. You can see they're not as fucked now, they're still a bit bad at bottom aspect. Got a fucking shock off of that. Fucking nylon, isn't it? But aye, stock radio and all that still in it, 5-speed manual. It's very nice. Can't really see it, but there's a digi-dash in there. Cruise control, all that fancy shit. All the lights still work. Not much to say about it really. I'll post update videos as I fix it, but as for now I'm waiting on wheel adapters so I can put those alloys there on this. They're 17s, they'll look fucking disgusting, but I'll let them move the car around at least. At least in theory. They're for an Evo, I hope they fit. If not, I'll just machine out this in a bit until they do. It's unlatched. It's actually latched out. It's actually not attached to the scuttle panel. You can sort of see it there, but it's a lot worse on the other side. Yeah, you can see where the hinges used to be. The hinges aren't there anymore, they're long gone. But yeah, that's my Supra. I don't know fucking clue what that guy's doing, but whatever it is, it was fun. Leave him to it. I'll put this car back up.